Alright, in this video we're going to learn how to make a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 11. You can use this flash drive for either upgrading your existing system or booting another computer to install Windows 11 afresh. Let's see how's the process. So first of all, you'll go to the browser and you will search for Windows 11 media creation tool. This is the tool that you'll need to make the USB. This will take you to Microsoft Windows website. You can check the URL here. Create Windows 11 installation media is the option, and you click download. It's a small download that will complete. Run that tool and it will ask you a few things. First of all, it's going to take a few moments to start up and download the terms and conditions. So let's wait for that. Once you have gone through the terms and conditions, you can simply accept them. Next step, it's going to ask you something about your Windows, but we don't have much options here. We just have 64-bit Windows 11 to be selected. If you want to download another language, you can select from here. Now it's going to ask you if you want to make a USB file, so we'll select USB flash drive, not ISO. These are the USB drives which are inserted in my computer. So now I will insert a USB flash drive which I want to use for the installation medium. Please make sure the USB flash drive you're using is absolutely empty or you do not have anything important, because the setup will overwrite anything and everything in that flash drive. Also make sure when you're selecting the USB flash drive from this menu, you are selecting the right one. By mistake, if you select the wrong USB, it's gonna delete everything from the USB drive and turn it into a bootable USB for you. Once you see the disk has been inserted, click on the refresh drive list to make sure that the disk you just inserted, flash drive, is visible. So G new volume is the one I want to go for. Just to make sure that this is the one, I will go to my computer and see, oh yeah, that's the one I am actually looking at. So click the USB and click next. This will start the progress, and the first progress is basically downloading the Windows 11 setup file from the Microsoft servers. This is something around 5 GB of data that will download on your system. So depending on your internet speed, it could take from a couple of minutes to maybe an hour. So we'll wait for the download to complete. Well, the download is almost complete, but this is not going to be the end of the process for us right now. Once the download is complete, it will actually start writing the setup file and preparing it for your bootable drive. So the download process is complete, and now it is writing the data onto your USB flash drive. It will copy all the setup and it will make your disk bootable. So let's wait for the process to complete. As you can see the prompt, you can continue to use your computer while this disk is being written. There's no need to exclusively wait for this process to complete. Yeah, so the write process is almost done. Once the process is complete, this is the drive letter that you have for the new USB. You can remove this USB and insert it into the computer that you want to use Windows 11 on, install Windows 11 on. This USB can be used for booting a fresh system with a new hard drive for a new Windows 11 installation, as well as you can download, you can use this USB for upgrading an existing Windows system. Yeah, so this video is only about making the USB bootable media for Windows 11. This USB can be used for upgrading as well as for installing Windows 11 afresh. My channel has a number of videos about how to install Windows 11, and I will link in the description as well, and I'm going to put a card up there. I have a video on how to install Windows 11 on a fresh machine. I have a video on how to install Windows 11 as an upgrade from Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 8 or Windows 10. So you can look up my channel. It's going to be a good idea to subscribe if you're interested in this kind of content. And that's all for this video. Thank you.